So assuming you have this graph here, can I just do a little bit of recap? How do we obtain two types of asymptote? One is the oblique asymptote, one is the vertical asymptote. You must remember that for horizontal asymptote or for oblique asymptote, for this you do long division first. Must ensure that in your equation, you do not have the degree at the top to be larger than the one in the denominator. So if I do long division, this equation will look something like x plus 4 plus something over x minus 1. It will look like this. Remember, then whatever is the part without the fraction forms either your horizontal asymptote or the oblique asymptote. On the other hand, vertical asymptote always comes from, even without long division, we can immediately set the denominator to be 0. So therefore, we just set x minus 1 to be 0 and x is 1. When we draw graphs, we should always draw in the asymptote before you put in the graph. Okay, just as a reminder, okay, you should not do it on your notes here. If not, I think it will get messy. But let me just remind you on the screen, the gap from the turning point to the intersection of the asymptote must be drawn like they look similar distance. Okay, these are equidistant. Okay, so later when you draw your graphs, just remember these pointers again. Okay, but let's go through now the problem. Let's say this graph was already drawn out. Then this is one possible hence question. They would like you to find the range of values of this m such that we have this particular equation to have two real roots. You would like to first ensure that the original curve C's equation appears in this new expression. Okay, so I want to make equation C appear. It doesn't matter at which position that equation appears. It could be on the left side, the right side, it doesn't matter, but force it to appear. And we should observe that to make C appear, the numerator and denominator is currently split into two different zones. One is on the left, the x minus 1 is on the right side. So to force C to appear, can I do a rearrangement? I would like to move that x minus 1 term across to the left. The balance